Hi, I'm Danelle Denny, and I'm a pharmacist with 25 years of experience in retail pharmacy. I also have a very varied background of home health care, hospital, some psychiatric hospital, even a little bit of operating room experience. I have a very varied background to bring to this, but by far my greatest experience has been in retail pharmacy. And one of my frustrations is that even though retail pharmacy is where you have the most opportunity to talk to the patient, there's just no time. And what I've always really wanted to do was help people. These people have questions. They need to know what they're doing. They're not quite sure. They're a little bit afraid or they don't quite understand. And I've always really wanted to help people that were at the pharmacy window. And my hands were tied because there were prescriptions to fill and people asking me questions, and it's a crazy environment. So now, as the consumer's pharmacist, I can do what I always wanted to do, which is help people. And my top priority is now to inform you of a better way to choose medications, and that is my single ingredient philosophy. So what I've created is a five-step guide to choosing the right medications for you. It's called Your Battle Plan for the Cough and Cold Season.